Hey guys, we made it to Tulsa. We stopped at Shuffle's Game Board Cafe on the way here. We had lunch for a couple hours, played games, and it was a lot of fun. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Would you go back?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was super fun. So we are checked into the hotel. We're waiting on Madison to get here, and we are hungry, so we're gonna go have some dinner. We're gonna go over to IHOP. The kids eat free, so we're gonna check that out. From 4, I think it said from 4 to 10 p.m. kids eat free. So we'll see. I told her she can't get pancakes or a waffle. She's not very happy about that. I think we compromised with the cheeseburger.
And maybe a shake.
We'll see about a shake. So I'm kind of sad to give up our parking spot because it's really good. It's right in front. But hopefully we'll luck out when we get back and people will be gone for dinner because it's kind of early. It's not even 5:30 yet. So people around here, when I lived in Tulsa, we weren't having dinner until like 8 o'clock at night. So 5:30 is pretty early. But hopefully we'll luck out and people will be gone for dinner when we get back and we can sneak in front again. Our hotel room is really nice. I don't know how it happened, but we are on the concierge level. I only paid $75 for the room. It's a Marriott, just a Marriott hotel. Super nice. It was just renovated, I think, last year or maybe over the summer. So the rooms are fresh and nice and clean and amazing. And I will have a room tour of that. But it's super nice. You have to have a key to get up to the room. On the elevator, the elevator won't take you up to the 10th or 11th floor unless you put your key in. So I was like, what is going on? Why do we have to have that? Well, it's the concierge level. And unfortunately, since it's Saturday, the lounge is closed and it won't open until 5:30 tomorrow evening. So we don't get to take advantage of the concierge lounge, which kind of stinks, but you know, it's still pretty cool to have that room. But anyway, so we'll check back in with you guys in a little while. Bye.
Okay guys, we are on the 10th floor in room 1039. The door was a little pickle to open. Took us about 10 tries. This is our room. It's very pretty, spacious. It has a king bed, and then that is a couch that pulls out into a bed. And in this chest right here are the linens for the extra bed. When you walk in and turn to the left, it's the closet, and the light turns on when you open the door. Pretty cool. Okay, there's plenty of storage above the clothes rack. There's lots of hangers, an ironing board, and there's a little chest in here that has your safe. That drawer is empty, and that bag right there is the hair dryer. And then when you walk in and turn to your right, it's the bathroom. And the bathroom has a lit mirror, plenty of towels. The toiletries are nice. Okay. It has a stand-up walk-in shower, but the door just slides like a barn door. And that's really nice. Okay, let's check out the main part of the room. And then here are your controls. Yes, I have it to 64 because it was hot when we got in here. We'll warm it up a little bit later once it cools down enough for me. There is a full-length mirror. This is a king-size bed, and it's super soft. Mallory and I have already sat on it. There is a nice rug. The floors look ceramic, but they're not. I think it's a linoleum. They're soft. They're not like a ceramic. A nice desk area with your TV. This chest was down here by the coffee pot. There's a drawer that is empty. In the chest is your tea, coffee cups, sweeteners, all that jazz. And then in this cabinet, there's a little refrigerator, which is super nice, especially with kids. Like tomorrow, the girls are going to the master class for dance. So we went ahead and got them some Powerade, and we have that cooling in the fridge for them, ready for tomorrow. That is a little table that was tucked up underneath the sofa when we got here, but Mallory already pulled that out. And this is nice as it is. You know, someone could sleep on it just like that, but it does pull out into a bed, and we'll show you later this evening once we pull that out what that looks like. And there is another rug on this side. And Mallory was pretty impressed with the view we have, so I'm gonna try to show that to you. That mountain hill right there is called Turkey Mountain, and a lot of people will go there and do hikes or walks. They'll jog. The main road you see right there, that is 71st Street, and if you follow that down, you'll cross the Arkansas River, and just over this hill right here is called Tulsa Hills, and it's a great shopping district. So that's Tulsa. Well, part of it. That is our room for this evening at Southern Hills Tulsa Marriott.
Okay, we decided to switch it up and came to Qdoba instead. It is kids eat for free or $1.75. I don't remember, but we ended up getting dinner for Mallory and I for $7.60. So our $7.60 dinner got us, I got one taco and chips and a small side of guacamole and a drink. And Mau Mau got a taco and chips and queso and apple juice to drink. Have you tried it yet?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, we are waiting for Madison. It is just past 7:45 and they said they are finally here. We're waiting for her in the lobby and it's loud.
Not that loud. Not as loud as I thought it would be.
Anyway, so let's see when she comes in. Here they are.
Okay, so we are up bright and early. It's almost 7:30. The girls are about to head down to their master class. We've got a day full of dancing.
Good morning, everyone. I just dropped the girls off at their master class, and now I'm leaving to go have breakfast with my mom. They don't know that, or they'd be really upset, and they're not going to know this until they see the video. So, I don't know. I might tell them later today. We'll see. Anyway, we don't see Gigi much anymore. She works really hard doing what she does, and you know, it's a hard adjustment, but it is what it is. It's okay. So the hotel was nice. We would definitely stay here again if we got the same rate. It was only $75 for the night, which was amazing. I think someone else in our crew paid twice that. So, you know, I like good deals. But the room was nice. The girls slept well. They were cold. Whoops. But anyway, we got a good night's sleep, which was needed. So anyway, I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay, we made it home. It is almost 8:30. I don't even know how many hours I've been awake now, but I'm exhausted and glad to be home and ready to go to bed.
Hey, no bedtime.
Maggie says no bedtime. The girls worked super hard today.
Hey, no.
They were pushed and learned some new stuff, and so I think in the end they had a good time. It was hard. They both said it was hard, but that's not a bad thing. Say hi. So Maggie's glad I'm home.
I miss Mommy.
Oh, I missed you. So we're gonna call it a night and chill out and relax
And what about these?
and brush our teeth and oh, and go to bed. Say bye.
Okay, hi.
No, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.